Starting a company can be a rewarding endeavor that allows you to pursue your entrepreneurial dreams and create a lasting impact in the business world. However, setting up a company requires careful planning and execution. This video will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to successfully establish your own company, from determining its structure to launching and promoting it. 1. Determine your business structure. The first step in setting up a company is to determine its legal structure. Common options include sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company LLC, and corporation. Each structure has its own advantages and disadvantages, such as liability protection and tax implications. Research and consider the specific requirements and benefits of each structure to choose the one that best suits your business goals. 2. Choose a name for your company. Selecting a name for your company is an important decision. It should be unique, memorable, and aligned with your brand identity. Conduct a thorough search to ensure the chosen name is not already in use and does not infringe on any trademarks. Once you have chosen a name, register it to secure the rights and prevent others from using it. 3. Register your company. To establish your company as a legal entity, you need to register it with the appropriate government authorities. Consult with local business agencies or legal professionals to understand the registration process and requirements in your jurisdiction. Submit the necessary documents, such as articles of incorporation or partnership agreements, and pay any required fees. Completing the registration formalities ensures your company is recognized and operates within the legal framework. 4. Obtain required licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits to operate legally. Research the industry regulations and requirements in your area. Common licenses and permits include business licenses, health and safety permits, and professional certifications. Fulfill all necessary obligations to ensure compliance and avoid any legal issues in the future. 5. Set up your business location. Choose a suitable location for your company that aligns with your target market and operational needs. Consider factors such as accessibility, infrastructure, proximity to suppliers or customers, and cost. Whether you decide to lease or purchase a physical space or opt for a virtual office, ensure it meets your business requirements and provides a professional environment for your operations. 6. Establish accounting and financial systems. Setting up proper accounting and financial systems is essential for the smooth functioning of your company. Implement an accounting software or hire a professional accountant to manage your financial records, including bookkeeping, invoicing, payroll, and tax compliance. Establishing sound financial practices from the beginning will help you monitor your company's financial health and make informed decisions. 7. Develop a business plan. A comprehensive business plan serves as a roadmap for your company's success. Outline your company's mission, vision, target market, products or services, competitive analysis, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A well-structured business plan not only helps you clarify your goals but also attracts potential investors or lenders. Continuously update and refine your business plan as your company evolves and new opportunities arise. 8. Secure funding. Most companies require funding to start and grow their operations. Explore different funding options such as personal savings, loans from financial institutions, angel investors, venture capital, or crowdfunding. Prepare a solid financial projection that demonstrates the potential return on investment for potential funders. Present your business plan and financial projections to secure the necessary capital to fund your company's growth. 9. Build a team. As your company grows, you'll need a dedicated and skilled team to support your operations. Identify the key roles and positions required for your company and recruit individuals who align with your company's values and goals. Conduct thorough interviews and background checks to ensure you hire qualified professionals. Foster a positive work culture and provide ongoing training and development opportunities to retain and motivate your team. 10. Create a marketing strategy. Developing a robust marketing strategy is crucial to attract customers and create brand awareness. Identify your target audience and their needs, preferences, and behaviors. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, search engine optimization (SEO), email marketing, and traditional advertising to reach your target market effectively. Monitor the results of your marketing efforts and adjust your strategies accordingly to maximize their impact. 11. Launch and promote your company. Once all the foundational elements are in place, it's time to launch your company and promote your products or services. Plan a launch event or campaign to generate excitement and attract attention. Leverage your marketing channels to create buzz and engage with potential customers. Utilize PR opportunities, influencer collaborations, and customer testimonials to build credibility and increase brand visibility. Continuously monitor the market and adjust your promotional activities to stay competitive. 12. Monitor and adjust. Setting up a company is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring and adjustments. Regularly review your financial performance, operational efficiency, and customer feedback. Stay updated on industry trends and competitor activities. Embrace innovation and adapt your strategies to meet changing market demands. By staying agile and responsive, you can position your company for long-term success. Conclusion: setting up a company involves a series of crucial steps, from determining the business structure and registering it to securing funding, building a team, and launching it in the market. By following this step-by-step guide, you can navigate the complexities of starting a business and increase your chances of creating a thriving and successful company. 1. How long does it take to set up a company? The time required to set up a company varies depending on factors such as the legal requirements in your jurisdiction, the complexity of your business structure, and the efficiency of the registration process. It can range from a few weeks to several months. 2. Do I need a business plan to start a company? While a business plan is not legally required to start a company, it is highly recommended. A business plan helps you outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections, making it easier to secure funding and navigate your company's growth. 3. Can I change my company's legal structure later on? In many cases, it is possible to change your company's legal structure as your business evolves. However, the process and implications can vary depending on your jurisdiction. Consult with legal professionals to understand the requirements and consequences of changing your company's structure. 4. How can I attract investors to fund my company? To attract investors, you need a compelling business plan that clearly demonstrates the potential return on investment. Highlight your unique value proposition, market opportunities, and competitive advantage. Network with potential investors, attend pitch events, and leverage online platforms that connect entrepreneurs with investors